Principal of Johar Navodaya Vidyalaya Chandigarh, and I am happy to tell you all that STEPapp, which is a learning app, has been introduced in my school by Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti headquarter Noida. This app is basically for learning mathematics and sciences in all classes. We have formed WhatsApp group, and through various e-media the teachers are using it, and the students are directly using STEPapp after covering a particular topic. This app is providing them for evaluating the learning outcome, how much they have learned and how much they have grasped from the topic which they have already studied. I am finding that this app is very beneficial for the students, as these students are very flexible and they can use this app anytime, which is as per their convenience. At last, the certificate which is given to these students really increased and enhanced their confidence after seeing the performance in a particular given set of time. This achievement or this certificate of appreciation has increased their confidence level and they are really doing well. I am thankful to STEPapp for introducing such a good application for the learning outcome of the students and teachers to check the learning outcomes of their students. Thank you very much.